The meme coins are back. And when they take off, that's it. They ain't looking back. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well, wherever you are in this world. It's going to be an interesting time now that Trump is president. I guess, things should start to take off heavily with the cryptocurrency space, depending on what he actually does when he is president. Because, what they say they do and they're going to do and what they actually do are two different things. Anyways, with that said, we're going to be going over some TA for what we can do to this trade of the century as Bitcoin rises, and same with Solana, and who knows what's going to happen to Ethereum. And yeah, we will talk about that in today's episode. And if you want to trade this, you can trade this at bybit.davincij15.com. Link is in description below, and you can get some ID if you want to get some ID from Palau, right? It's a legitimate ID, legit. And it's just, you can just go over to rns.davincij15.com. I'm not getting paid for this. I think this is important for everybody to do. So this is why it's part of my videos. This is just keeping track of how many people I'm actually sending their way. And I really appreciate it if you use the link so that I keep track of how many people are being sent their way. They give me some points, but that doesn't mean anything. So it just shows that I'm sending people there. That's all. All right. Thank you for doing that. rns.davincij15.com. Free ID, not free ID, but ID that will allow you to, participate in this cryptocurrency bonanza that's about to happen. All right. Finally, next week, Tuesday, I'll be flying to Moscow, right? I'm going to be flying to Moscow for this event, the Trends event. Check it out. Links in the description below or in the pinned comment. I'm probably going to add that to the pinned comment because I've been forgetting. All right, let's go over to Orc. Oh, damn, look at that. I told you. Boom. Up and away. Waffles. Boom. Almost right back to its 11 million market cap. Wow, right? Boom. And you know what? It's setting up a bull flag to take off. Pepe. Yeah, you see what I'm telling you? All right, you missed out. All right, this is the news that some of the news we're going to be going over for today. BlackRock, Bitcoin ETF sees 1 billion volume in first minutes of post-election trading. Boom, boom. Yes, because people know that, or believe, have a perception. Let's not say it. No, they have a perception that Trump is going to do something. Whether he does something or not remains to be seen. Upward of 1 billion worth of BlackRock Bitcoin exchange traded fund exchanged hands in the first few minutes of trading after Donald Trump prevailed in the presidential election on November 5th, according to data from Bloomberg. Boom! That's a lot of money, and that's nothing compared to Bitcoin whales accumulate 132 million amid Trump's victory. 132 million. On-chain data shows that these guys are loading up, right? And if you're not filling your bags of Bitcoin, every Bitcoin that you take off the market, another millionaire can't have it. And how many millionaires are there? Over 66 million millionaires. So be proud if you take one Bitcoin off the market and you hold it. If you hold two, oh my God. You wiped out 2 millionaires that can't have one whole Bitcoin. Imagine that. There will be a time when a millionaire can't buy a Bitcoin. Bitcoin surpasses 100 million Korean won on the upbit as global demand rises. Yes, there it is. Boom, boom. Soon it's $100,000 for Bitcoin. This is a milestone in Korea, and it's going to be a milestone soon in dollars. Solana jumped 17%, flips BNB chain token as Trump renews ETF hopes. So Trump's win also is a clear indication that, hey, wait a second. Solana is going to get an ETF. And once it gets an ETF, right, that is game over. I mean, there's actually 20%, right? I mean, people are going to rush into this. Like, for example, let's just say you are a big investor, right? And you realize the meme coin sector is going to explode like I do. Now you have a way to get into this meme coin sector, which is effectively a lottery ticket for the average person. And you don't have to actually buy the lottery tickets. Eesh. Boom. Easy win. All right. Another easy win is the Caspa. I mean, it's not going to outperform Solana or Bitcoin, right? It might outperform Bitcoin. But it'll definitely outperform Ethereum in this cycle. And then going on to the next cycle, Caspa will come hard. So this is one of those coins that, if you want to hold for a long term and see like, oh, a huge success. Oh, look at that. I bought that at 11 cents or whatever. This is one of the coins, right? That you would do that with, right? So this is your opportunity to hold something for a long term. This is not a short-term play. This is not next year you're rich play, okay? This is more like 5 years from now you're rich play. So keep that in mind. If you're not willing to wait that long, then, that's why you're probably not going to be rich in this lifetime. That's always the problem with most people. They're just impatient and unable to wait for something good. And if you're not willing to wait for something good, you want to trade and make some money right now, you can do so at Bybit, drvitj15.com. Link is in the description below, as well as other exchanges that you can also try out that don't require KYC. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin diving down on the 5-minute, but let's go with a 4-hour. As you can see, there's a little bit of retrace here after it took out the 76. Why do I say 20? Because we're in the 20s for so long. I keep saying 20. It almost took out my sell zone for this long-term. Wow. Damn. That was a quick reversal. So it looks like we might have cleaned up all of the liquidity here. But I wouldn't say that this is a reversal for sure. Yeah, I thought so. Look at that. It didn't quite. There might be a little bit more here up to the 77 before any kind of reversal to retest the lows of the 72-ish area. If we get to the 72, actually, we'll come back all the way to the 69. It's 7,000. So either the 70K or the 69. So it has to hold in this area at the 74, 70, 73,000-ish area in order for us to actually continue higher. Looking at Ethereum, oh, finally, did we break above this key level here? We snuck our nose above it we're now at 28.36. That's great. It could pump another 20% from here along in this Moonvember. So be a part of it. Another token that could do double what Ethereum is about to do is with a 42% target. If we can break above this level here, I know there's a lot of lines here, so let me just clear this out. So if we could break above that and head to this 1.618, that's probably the target. That is nice. This is most 90% chance this is the target. There's so many indications that that's a target. It's not funny. We can just go, let's just see here. So let's just draw this, and I bet you that will take us to the same target. And there it is, right? So target is right up there at 61.8 on AB equals CD and on the 61.8. So you have convergence, and it's just logic. We have volume coming in. You're an idiot if you don't buy, right? You're an absolute idiot if you do not buy Solana right now, right? If you sell Ethereum to buy Solana, that would be a smart thing to do, because Solana is going to double the performance that Ethereum can do in the next 30 days. There it is. You have your information. Now, the only thing you need to do is execute. Failing to do that, it's your fault. Thanks for watching. Cheers.